What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. Today we are making a yummy loaded hash brown casserole. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright guys, so let's get started. In my cast iron skillet, I'm going in with a little olive oil here, just to wake my dry and unseasoned pan up a bit. Next, we're going to go in with our mild pork sausage. Now you can certainly use turkey sausage instead if you're not a pork eater. We're going to break this up a bit and let this cook until it's nice and done. Alright, while we have our sausage cooking, we're going to go ahead and work on our cheese. I have some Colby Jack here. Now you can use whatever cheese you want to, of course. We're going to get this all grated up, set it aside, and then switch back over to our sausage. We got our sausage cooked up, so we're going to remove it from the skillet and set it aside. Now we're also going to remove all but about a tablespoon of this fat so we can saute our veggies and it can soak up this good flavor. And we go with our diced onions and bell peppers. We're going to allow them to saute for about 2 minutes and then we'll add our sausage back to the skillet. Alright, after adding the sausage back in and giving everything a good stir, we're going to remove it from the heat and set it aside while we work on the actual casserole mixture. Okay, so this mixture is super easy. Into my bowl, I'm going in with a can of cream of chicken, sour cream, and melted butter. We're going to whisk all of this together to combine. We're going in with our shredded Colby Jack cheese. We're going to season this mixture generously with some all-purpose seasoning or your seasonings of choice. Now we're going in with the star of our show, which are our shredded hash browns. Now this was a big bag, so at first I was like, I'm not going to add the whole thing in, but later you'll see me add the rest of it in. We're going to gently fold our shredded taters in. Careful not to mix it too much. We don't want it mushy. We're going to add in the sausage and peppers and gently fold it all in until it's evenly distributed. Alright guys, so now that we have all of our ingredients well combined, we're ready to bake. So here I have my well-greased 9x13 baking dish. We're going to plop our hash brown mixture in, making sure we spread it out evenly. Then we'll of course top it with the remainder of the Colby Jack cheese. We got our cheese on, so we're going to cover it with foil and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. Here we are 45 minutes later. We're going to remove the foil and bake it for an additional 10 to 15 minutes uncovered. Alright guys, our hash brown casserole is complete. Off camera, I cooked up a few bacon strips and chopped it up. We're going to sprinkle some right on top and get us a big old scoop of it out to try. And there you have it, guys. Super easy loaded hash brown casserole. Go on and whip this up for your next breakfast or brunch to easily impress your family and friends. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you like this video up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.